Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start? Install and sign in, then open Circle and tap the search icon. First, grant location and microphone access so results are relevant and voice search works reliably. Once done, choose where you want to search, nearby or global, and pick filters like date, type, or distance. Make sure to set language if needed. This improves accuracy. Now enter a concise query or press the voice button. This gets you immediate, actionable results without extra setup. Once you have initial results, refine them using the advanced filters: date range, category, distance, or sort by relevance. You'll get cleaner results if you use quoted phrases for exact matches and Boolean operators for complex queries. If voice is faster, say the filter followed by the term and circle will apply it. Then scan results with quick preview to confirm relevance. Tap and hold to save or pin items. This focused approach reduces noise and speeds up finding the right item. Open the best match and verify the details before exporting or sharing. You can also add notes or tags. Next, organize saved pins into collections or set alerts so new matches come to you automatically. Once complete, back up any important lists. If results look incomplete, check permissions first. Make sure location and microphone are enabled, then clear the app cache and try again. Finally, refine your query wording. Shorten phrases or remove ambiguous terms, and rerun the search to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.